Hey guys, this is my 1996 Honda 300 that I basically went all the way through expanding the motor, which I think it's gonna need it here soon because it's, yeah. But what can you do about it? That's fine. I can rebuild it. I ain't in trouble. It basically looks brand new. I ain't got the starter wired up yet, but you know, Honda stuff. Got a set of what are they called? Mud forces from Tusk on it instead of ITP wheels. I haven't got the center caps yet. I'm gonna get. See, it's leaking oil out of the upper on the motor, which I can fix that. I know it's leaking. Look at it. Whew. Right down there. Brake lines ain't hooked up in front. I need to get some new CV axles for it, and I haven't got them. I'm wanting to go to a sort of rancher shops. Just finding them is the problem. I don't want to pay for brand new ones. Exhaust off Amazon. Brand new one, mine was ruined. I'll show you mine, but basically somebody owned it, and yeah, yes sir. Yeah, so you know what I mean, that's what I said. So we'll see. So what you on that note? Here's whenever I first bought the bike. Here's whenever I got it going. I had her going for a while until I rolled it, and then I decided I was gonna tear it down and rebuild it. Took the motor out of it and had it up. Got it nice and little. New studs were broke off. Got it nice looking. Took the frame and we got it washed up and painted it and put the motor back in, the diff back in, put the rear axle on, the front end back together, and that's her now.